Bitcoin fell nearly 3% below $64,000 on Thursday, June 18, 2026, leading a widespread crypto market plunge triggered by the U.S. Federal Reserve's hawkish tone. This was so clear a blind person could see this coming. The sudden drop wiped out recent recovery gains as global risk assets buckled under rising treasury yields and a stronger U.S. dollar. The macro flash. Fed shockwave. Federal Reserve abandons forward guidance, crushing global risk assets. Bitcoin plunge. Bitcoin drops nearly 3%, sliding well below the $64,000 mark. Ether bleeds. Ethereum drops 4%, collapsing below the $1,800 level. Altcoin retreat. Solana and Binance Coin tumble 3% to 5% instantly. Fear spikes. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index plunges into extreme fear. Time to ETF capital outflow. Bitcoin and Ether spot ETFs bleed $111 million combined. Rate cut hopes die. Dot plot signals potential 2026 rate hikes instead. Dollar strengthens. Tighter liquidity from a surging DXY hits crypto pairs. Yield curve warning. Spiking treasury yields trigger automated crypto liquidations. Critical support. Analysts pinpoint $60,000 to $62,000 as Bitcoin's make or break zone. Only stupid people don't subscribe. You are not one of them, so subscribe for my up-to-date content. Legal and institutional battle. CME files lawsuit. CME Group sues the CFTC over perpetual futures approvals. Benchmark battle. CME claims exclusive indexing rights on U.S. crypto perps. Kalshi crosses milestone. Kalshi crypto perps surge past $1 billion in volume. Tether strategy shift. Stablecoin giant winds down AUSDT and Alloy platform. Kentucky crackdown. State files lawsuits targeting Kalshi and Polymarket platforms. Want more up-to-date news? Subscribe. She is back in the news again. We love her. ARK Invest buys dip. Cathie Wood snaps up $18 million in Coinbase shares. Robinhood dump. ARK Invest unloads $29 million worth of Robinhood stock. What do they know? Singapore blacklist. MES adds Bybit to investor alert list over licensing. Fidelity stablecoin move. Fidelity enters Wall Street's race to manage stablecoin reserves. Genius Act effect. New legislation forces crypto firms into heavy compliance mode. Market metrics and token action. XRP breakout stalls. Ripple slips 4% below $1.20 after hitting resistance. Stellar run. XLM bucks the trend, surging over 6.9% today. Cardano drops. ADA feels the pressure, falling 3.2% in 24 hours as CFO flees the crypto scene. Leveraged longs trapped. High long-short ratio on Binance triggers cascading liquidations. Solana outperforms utility. Solana maintains network activity despite broad market correction. Enterprise growth. Circulating supply of USD Geo stablecoin surpasses $500 million. Pre-sale momentum. Pepetto raises $10.28 million, targeting automated cross-chain bridges. Axie land activation. Axie Infinity sets June 19 for BAXS rewards tick. Meme coin flush. High beta Solana meme tokens experience massive double-digit drawdowns. Trading fee pivot. Coinbase accelerates shift away from retail fee reliance. Regional regulatory dynamics. India tax reality. 30% flat tax on gains drains domestic exchange volume. WazirX defends support. Indian exchange attempts to hold local support lines. The Dubai migration. Indian Web3 firms finish mass relocation to UAE hubs. Polymarket odds shift. Bitcoin prediction market odds plummet 16% post-Fed. Australia tech overhaul. AI integration reshapes anti-money laundering crypto protocols. G7 AI warning. Anthropic pushes G7 nations to coordinate over export blocks. Not subscribed yet? Do it now. Let's go. Estonia ID innovation. Government assigns personal identification numbers to AI trading agents. Trace Finance capital raise. Fintech bridges stablecoins and banking with $32 million round. Telegram challenges India. Messaging app fights regulatory block over encryption issues. Global revenue strategy. Governments mimic India's model of heavy taxation over bans. Security threats and emerging trends. Fortnite bleed exploit. VPN credentials leak, putting institutional crypto wallets on alert. Crypto Clipper malware. Fraudulent app reviews and audio narrators mask Clipper bugs. Rogue Planet 0 Day. Microsoft confirms exploit impacting decentralized storage infrastructures. AI power crunch. AI data centers pass 1 gigawatt, straining grid infrastructure. Only losers. Don't subscribe. Don't be a loser. DePIN narrative dominates. Decentralized physical infrastructure networks attract heavy institutional funding. RWA tokenization surge. Real-world asset tokenization becomes top investment thesis for H2. BlackRock yield expansion. Tokenized fund interest intensifies despite macro downturn. Kraken long forecast. Historically, buying BTC below 200-week average nets 100% gains. Bitwise, slow warning. Next bull run will be slower and less volatile. Consolidation phase. Analysts expect prolonged range-bound action as markets digest Fed signals. Disclaimer: this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only and is not professional financial advice in any shape or form. Always, do your own research, like and subscribe for more content like this.